Hello everyone. Welcome back for speaking English for every single day. I've been sticking to my discipline program since last 5 months. My discipline program is speak in front of camera of anything to talk. I don't think too much about perfection, about really good grammar or advanced vocabulary. No, I'm not. So I usually talk with anything. So I try to use the vocabulary inside of my mind right in that day, right in today. So I usually talk by myself as well. And and I think they suppose or my coworkers suppose say me as a crazy. I'm not because sometimes I have a small talk with myself. I try to speak by myself. It's a little bit awkward actually. And so I just want to tell you something, guys. So today in my workplace I I try to speak my I try to read uh I try to express myself. I try to express in learning English from Google Scholar. So I try to find out paper from the Google Scholar and then take it out. Then I try to read it out loud. And actually, I have to read it. I have to take it out and understand it. As you know that I also as a research and development in the company, so I used to do research and develop about the role in my workplace. Um, Actually, is a little bit exhausted. Not is a little bit, but it's much exhausted to be a research and development because I have to align myself with the cutting edge technology. I have to be able to know what the growing up technology for today. So that's made me uh, to keep myself growing, to keep myself stick to the cutting edge technology, and it's a little bit exhausting. And so I usually go to Google Scholars in the front of the monitor and with a lot of Google Scholars, with a lot of papers to read. It's a little bit uncomfortable with me if I would use uncomfortable monitor. So for today, I already changed my monitor. I have a big monitor right now to make me compatible with long paper to read. And I just doing great today, guys. Thank you. So this is my desk. Look like it's pretty messy, doesn't it? So yeah, you can find, as you can see right now, there are a lot of stuff or item that you could find over here. There's solder, there is solder, mini PC. Actually, with there are a lot of, but I couldn't show you uh over there because that out of your vision, guys. So I usually everything I usually put everything where it belong, and keep my desk tidy. And but sometimes I just leave it like this. Nah, yeah, don't really care if it looks messy or needed to be cleaned up. And I use all these items for my work, so they're not just decoration sitting. So they are not just a decoration sitting there without moving. So I work with them every single day. I usually work with it. Bro, so welcome back again. I just want to inform you that I really excited to bring you into my work area or my workplace and show everything in my work area. So, for example, here there are a lot of things that you might be unfamiliar with. So, for instance, there are robots, there are desks over there. That those seats or those table are my friends, and over here you will see a lot of monitor. And so, actually, we wanna explain you how to describe out loud or how to pronounce in English, because every small step, every small thing is actually our step to dive into next level. So over here, so we could say about self. There's a lot of thing in self, and actually here you also can see that lot of monitor that you unfamiliar with, and so this is really interesting part. So I usually spend my time over here, do research and development, as I tell you, yeah, in the first few. I really enjoyed it.